Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how you can earn more money writing. If you're still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. As soon as you start writing on Medium, it's hard to stop, especially if you make it a priority to write to teach, make other people's lives easier, or share entertainment in whatever niche or topic you like to talk about. I mention these goals because if your main goal is to make money, you will want to see it before you've given anything of value away. The formula works the other way around. This is why many people can't make money with an online business. First, think about how valuable your customers think your content is. When you share your content, you will have the chance to make money. For bigger projects, they go well together to make your life better and to depend completely on them. On the other hand, you can use complementary tools to get even more out of Medium. For example, you can use the Medium Partner Program and membership subscriptions to make money. I'm talking about your subscribers list in this case. When you sign up for Medium, you can choose to make a list of your subscribers. The list best feature is that it is taken care of by the platform itself. I mean that you don't have to set it up from scratch. Emails are sent automatically, and your subscribers are reminded when you have something new to share. But if you want to share something else, you will need a tool that can help you make a list of your contacts. In other words, an autoresponder. I've said it in other videos that one of my goals was to get 100 people on my contact list. This happened after I got my first 100 Medium followers. So why should you start collecting email addresses? If you have a list, you can stay in touch with the people who signed up for it because they like what you have to say. They are interested in what you have to say, so you should keep it that way. Give those who follow you something of value. When you use an autoresponder to send information via email, you are basically starting an email marketing campaign. Here are some of the reasons why a contact list is an essential tool for any online business. The first one is you have a captive audience. It lets you divide your contacts into groups based on what they are interested in. You can also talk about different things in your campaigns. It lets you get your content seen by more people. You make your brand well known, bring in money from other places. After this, you already know that you have more ways to make money while you keep writing the way you have been or start writing the way you are about to. Now, build your contact list. So I have already started to apply this strategy and I will continue to share with you the results I get. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, Don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.